Today we will define Pauli exclusion principle without mentioning the name of electron. Answer: no two fermions have the same set of four quantum numbers in same orbital. Two fermions in the same orbital must have opposite spins. If one fermion have n is equal to 1, which is the principal quantum number, L is equal to 0, M is 0, and spin is half plus half. Second fermion have n is equal to 1, L is equal to 0, M is 0, and spin is minus 1 over 2. The two fermions have the same three quantum numbers, but the fourth quantum number spin is